Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we are tackling literally the biggest question on every student's mind right now. What is the future of AI actually going to look like for us? Is it going to completely take over, or is it going to give us superpowers? Meet our student, Jordan. Now, Jordan is scrolling through some pretty scary and totally contradictory headlines right now. One says, AI will take every job, but the very next one says, AI will make you unstoppable. It is totally panic-inducing, right? Well, take a deep breath. Let's explore the reality together. All right, let's dive into this. The first thing to realize is that a job isn't just one giant single thing. It's actually a collection of dozens of smaller tasks. Think about a teacher, for example. They explain ideas, they grade quizzes, they plan lessons, and they notice when you're confused. Now, an AI might be able to grade a simple multiple choice quiz, sure, but it definitely can't look at a student, notice they're having a tough day, and encourage them. The exact same thing goes for a doctor. An AI might be absolutely amazing at reviewing medical records or spotting a hidden pattern in an X-ray, but we are still going to need that human doctor to physically examine you, build trust with your family, and deliver sensitive news with real care. You know, we've actually survived this exact kind of technological panic before. Just think about the calculator. Decades ago, when calculators first arrived, people seriously thought they would end math forever. Total panic. But instead, calculators just took over the tedious, repetitive counting. And that meant human engineers could spend their time solving way bigger, much more exciting problems. And this brilliantly illustrates the two totally different things AI can do: replace versus amplify. Imagine your job is carrying heavy boxes all day. Replace is a robot taking that one boring chore away from you. But amplify, that's giving the human a powered cart to move 10 times as many boxes with way less effort. That's not losing a job. That is gaining a superpower. So think about this. How are you going to approach your future work? Person A ignores AI entirely. They'll survive, I guess, but their work is going to take forever. Then you have person B, who lets AI do absolutely everything for them. That's a recipe for terrible, unchecked mistakes. But person C, they build together with AI. They use it to brainstorm and draft, but they make the final decisions. Collaboration absolutely wins. Why does person C win, though? Because, frankly, humans bring the magic. AI can generate 1,000 ideas or write lines of code in seconds, but someone has to actually choose what's good. And doing that requires human judgment, empathy, creativity, values, and taste. Now look, let's be totally honest here. Some tasks absolutely will disappear. If a chore is highly repetitive, super predictable, and easy to describe, like mindlessly copying data between folders, it will likely fade away. We shouldn't panic about it, but we definitely need to adapt. Because the nature of work is changing so much, our skills have got to shift too. The old way of learning was all about memorizing more facts and doing repetitive tasks faster. But in the future, the ultimate skills are going to be asking better questions, verifying the AI's answers to make sure they're right, and solving messy, complex puzzles. Let's put this into perspective. Imagine for a second you're a graphic designer. Without AI, you create one single poster, very slowly. But a designer using AI well, they can generate 10 variations in seconds, throw out the bad ones, combine the best parts, and improve the final product. See? AI actually makes human taste more important, not less. And the exact same logic applies to coding. AI can type out code incredibly fast, but AI doesn't inherently understand if the software protects users' privacy or what happens if a system suddenly fails. A human has to be there to ensure it actually works safely in the real world. All right, let's go back to Jordan. We are taking that scary "will AI replace me" question and just erasing it completely from our minds. Instead, we're going to ask the most empowering question for your future. What can I become better at with AI? Okay, let's test your new knowledge with a rapid-fire mini challenge. Scenario 1. An AI automatically sorts 5,000 photos. Is this replacing a task or empowering a person? If you guessed replace a task, you nailed it. Sorting thousands of photos is just a repetitive, predictable chore being handed off to a machine. All right, round 2. A scientist uses AI to scan those photos to find unusual, hidden patterns. And then the human scientist investigates those patterns to make a discovery. Replace or empower? Empower a person. Yes, absolutely. This is a perfect example of a human deciding how a machine should help them solve a much bigger mystery. So, what's the ultimate game plan to make sure you stay in the driver's seat of your future? Here it is. Step 1, learn how AI actually works. Step 2, learn how to guide it and check its work. And step 3, keep developing your distinctly human abilities, your empathy, your taste, your judgment. I want to leave you with this one thought. Don't compete with AI at being AI. Become the human who knows how to use it well. That is exactly how you master your tools, rather than letting your tools master you. So, as you look at your own path ahead, the real question is, what kind of human will you choose to become? Thanks for joining me for this explainer.